Hello scholars. Today we are starting chapter number 6, Types of Houses. As you all know, we are doing unit 2, our basic needs. Basic needs are the things which we need to live, like food, dresses, air and water. And in our basic needs, another important thing is a house. So, in this chapter, we are going to study about the types of houses. We all live in the house. Do you know why we need to live in the house? We need a house because the house protects us from heat, cold, rain and storm, and it also protects us from thieves and wild animals. Our house is a safe place to live in, and we also stores and keeps our things in it. We can rest and sleep in our house. We get peace, comfort and happiness in our house. When you visit your friend, relatives or neighbors, do you find that they have the same type of houses as you have? No. People live in different types of houses. There are two types of houses: permanent houses and temporary houses. Let us study about the permanent houses. When people make a plan to live in one place for a long period, they build a permanent house. To build a house, we need different things. For making the permanent houses, we need stone, brick, sand, cement, steel, glass and wood. The permanent houses are built with the help of engineer, architect, mason, labor, plumber and carpenter. These houses are very strong and are known as pakka houses. There are different permanent houses like bungalow. A bungalow is a large house which has only one story. Apartments or flats. An apartment or flat is a self-contained housing unit that occupies only a part of a building. Another type of houses are the temporary houses. Early humans or nomads did not live in permanent houses because they moved from one place to another. So, the people who want to live on a particular place for a short period of time build a temporary house. These houses are made up of mud, straw, bamboo or wood. These are called kacha houses. The temporary houses are not very strong as compared to the permanent houses. Temporary houses can be removed, knocked down and rebuilt. There are different types of temporary houses like hut, log hut, stilt house, houseboat, tent and igloo. Let us study about these temporary houses in detail. Hut. Huts are made up of straw. We find these huts in the villages. Log huts. Log huts are built in the forest and hilly areas where logs are found in abundance, and these huts are part of nature. What is log? A log is a part of the trunk or a large branch of tree that has fallen or been cut off. Another type of temporary house is house on stilts. The areas where heavy rainfall is a regular feature, houses are built on stilts. What are stilts? Stilts are poles, posts or pillars used to allow a structure or building to stand at a distance above the ground. These stilts help the people to protect from heavy rainfall or floods. Houseboat. Houseboats are houses which are built on boats. They are made of wood and they float on water. They are mainly found in Kashmir and Kerala. Tent. The most commonly used temporary house is tent. Tents are made of canvas and synthetic clothes. Canvas is a strong cloth used to make tents and sails. Another type of temporary house is igloo. A dome-shaped house made of snow and ice is called an igloo. Eskimos live in igloos. Who are Eskimos? Eskimos are the people who live in cold polar regions. Caravan. A caravan is a house on wheels. It is a mobile house. That means we can move this type of house from one place to another. There are different types of people in the world who live in different places, and these places have different geographical and climatic conditions. So, as per their needs, people build the different types of houses. It is very important that we should keep our house spick and span, that is neat and clean, because a dirty house may have flies, mosquitoes and rats which can cause diseases. Do you know why we have windows in our house? Windows let in fresh air and sunlight, which keeps our house fresh and clean. It is also very important that we should regularly clean our house properly. We should not throw the garbage here and there in our house. We should always keep the things properly at proper place. As we keep our body clean, it is our duty to keep our house also clean, because a clean house is a healthy house. Now we have come to the end of the chapter. So let us revise what we have studied today. Today we have studied chapter number 6, types of houses. And in this chapter we have studied that we all live in the house. The house protects us from heat, cold, rain and storm. It also protects us from thieves and wild animals. There are two types of houses: permanent houses and temporary houses. Permanent houses are made up of stone, brick, sand, cement, steel, glass and wood. The different types of permanent houses are bungalows, apartments or flats. Temporary houses are made with mud, straw, bamboo or wood. The different types of temporary houses are hut, log hut, house on stilts, houseboats, igloo, tents and caravan. It is very important to keep our house spick and span, because a clean house is a healthy house. I hope you have understood the chapter properly. Do the reading of the chapter and complete your work in the book and copy. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.